Ichiro 0 for 3 in his Mariner and Major League debut. The 2-1 pitch. Swung on, ground ball back up the middle. That's into center field. And Ichiro is on the board with his first Major League hit. A sharply stroked shot right back.
Right back through the middle, and he's going to go through into center field. I mean, watch this. It's unbelievable.
Here's Ichiro, who is 1 for 2 in the pitch by Robertson. Swung on, ground ball, base hit into right center field. And Ichiro now has... And a ground ball back up the middle. And there it is. He's the new all-time hit king.
That Ichiro Suzuki of the Seattle Mariners is the winner of the Ted Williams All-Star Game Most Valuable.
Hit through the right side. What he's done in his time with Seattle, our Burger King hot zone for Ichiro as he just pops one out in the left for a base hit. How pretty was that? Shaking out here. It's gone. Here's a shot into deep right field. Ichiro hits it hard. Takes a weird arrow. Ichiro basically races in this corner.
And there's number 200. No doubt about it. 2 hard hit balls today by Ichiro. 10 consecutive years of 200 or more hits.